Hey y'all, this isn't clickbait. I've always said when it was no longer fun for me, I was going to quit doing videos. It's gotten to that point, and it came crashing to an all of a sudden stop. It all said and just boom, just today I don't want to do this anymore. I've had a very pleasant experience with YouTube, making the videos, and I've never had any trolls. I can't use that for an excuse. I really enjoyed doing what I've been doing on here, but the fun has come to an end. Not because of anything with YouTube, but the job, the responsibility, trying to edit the videos and all the stuff that goes in, it's time consuming. It really is. There's a lot of time that is consumed on it. And my real passions in life is I love running my sawmill. But when I run my sawmill, I don't want to have to worry about setting up the camera. And is the camera running? Is my audio going? What am I going to do on the editing? What about the B story in it? I mean, what about all this? It's becoming a job. My passion is I love doing woodwork. I love working with my sawmill. I love tinkering with it at my time pace. I love tinkering in my garden, planting, and watching things grow and getting out there and weeding. I love doing these blackberries that I keep on complaining about. I love the challenge of taking them on. But I'm no longer enjoying dragging the camera around. It's not fun anymore. All the things that I do is still fun, and I am going to continue doing that. But I think I owe more to my wife and my daughter. They're not the ones that brought this on, by the way. But I do owe more to them of time when I say, hey, you know what, I need it to be quiet around here so I can do my editing, do the different stuff. That's not fair to them. This is a very real life to me, and a lot of people, that call themselves homesteaders, and I'm not trying to bash them or anything else. This is my life. My garden provides a huge amount of my food. I don't have time to play with it like it's a game to show my success and show how good I am. I don't have the time to do that. I don't have the time to pretend. And for me to put together videos, I would only be able to maybe to put together one or two videos a year if I was going to continue doing it and not it be a job. I'm not closing down either one of my channels. I'm going to leave them up. I can't say that I want to read the comments. But I just want to get back to what it was like and enjoy life without YouTube. Oh, I'll still be around, folks. I'll be out there tormenting. I'll still be a troll on your channels and tormenting people. Yeah, you, Bobby. I want to keep on tormenting you about your Chevy. I'm going to keep on tormenting everybody. I will still be around on YouTube. You'll see me in chat and different stuff. If I feel like I need to create another name so I don't have it get hounded with the questions and stuff, because I really don't want to be, if I'm in chat, I'm there to visit. I don't want to have to be answering questions. My questions are in this video to answer them, and if your questions don't get answered inside of this video, they're not going to get answered. There's a lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes here that none of you, not a single one of you, are aware of. Not a single one of you. And that's okay. I do have problems in life that don't belong on YouTube. And it makes it very difficult doing things. Um, I wish I could say that maybe in 6 months or a year I'll get back into making videos. I don't think so. I think I want to just get on with my life, living this hillbilly country style country punkin life. And that's who I am, and that's what I want to be, and this is what I want to do. I do enjoy this life. But I feel like the YouTube has taken a lot away from my responsibilities around the place here. I'm not going to call it a homestead. It's not a homestead. I'm not a homesteader. I'm just a real person living my real life, and that's what it is. But you know what? If I'm wrapped up in doing the videos, I don't have the time to spend in that garden on out there and doing the things that I need to really be doing to concentrate on getting the canning put, the harvesting, the canning, etc. If I'm worried about the camera trying to make videos when I'm milling lumber, when I got projects around here that I got to do, I got to finish my daughter's shed that I started over a year ago. I am going to do this timber frame that I was promising y'all. I'm going to get it done. I'm just not going to video it. And I know make great videos. I know it'd be great stories, but the reality of it is, I'm really not doing that timber frame project that I want to do. It isn't really for you guys. I've never done that type of a timber frame. I want to do this timber frame for me. If my wife wants to come along at times and shoot video of me, I'm not saying that my wife and daughter won't be making videos. And if they want to shoot some videos of me working on out there, putting that on the channel, that might happen. I don't know. There will be some. I'm sure there's going to be some footage somewhere, somehow, some way. They will be unedited. She'll just shoot it. It will be what it is and upload it. If you want to know where that's at, where to find my wife and daughter's channel, well, you'll have to go back to some of the old videos because I ain't going to tell you. Now, any of those of you that have my phone number, don't throw it away. Feel free to still call me. Just don't ask me to make more videos. Don't ask me, is there something deep going behind the scenes that you're in trouble or whatever? That's not the case at all. Feel free to call me. I'd love to chat with y'all, but no, there's nothing behind the scenes that's bringing me, no drama behind the scenes that's bringing me to this decision. I just feel like it's an important decision in my life to take on more of the responsibilities in my life that I can do and not waste my energy on YouTube videos. Do I believe that I could in a few years start making a really good living off of YouTube? Yes, I do. But that brings another question. Do I really want that kind of fame? No, I don't. I love having the few friends that I met on YouTube and chatting with them and feeling free for them to come and visit. Like there's a couple that's going to be coming. I'm not going to be throwing no names out right now. But I will throw out some names. Kim Fife is going to be coming out to visit. And I believe that Big Steve ENT is going to be out here to visit. I'm hoping Rosanna will be able to come down and visit. I want to keep these connections, not for the sake of YouTube, but I do want to enjoy life for the sake of enjoying life. I don't want to enjoy life for the sake of YouTube. And I feel like that's where it's been coming, and what it's been coming to. And I feel like I've been losing myself. You've probably noticed that. A lot of you have probably noticed that have followed me from the beginning when I do my original campfire chats and have some fun and, all the stuff that I would say. I mean, things change, and I'm losing who I really am. I don't want YouTube to change me. I'm not going to close my usual manner because this is not my usual video. I want to tell you I will see you all around on your channels. Y'all take care now. Bye.